Today you will be taking your word study test for Sort 34, letter feature L. Numbers 1 through 10 will be words from this week's word study sort. Numbers 11 and 12 will be your curveball words for this week. If you know the spelling features and patterns, you should be able to spell your words, your curveball words, accurately and correctly. At any point during the video, you may hit the pause button to make sure that you spelled your words accurately. So let's begin with today's test. Your first word, pitcher. The pitcher threw a curveball. Pitcher is your first word study word. Number 2, teacher. Could you please tell me who your homeroom teacher is? Teacher is your second word study word. Number 3, nature. After school today, I plan on going on a nature walk. Nature is your third word study word. Number 4, your fourth word is capture. They were able to capture the pirates on the ship. Capture is your fourth word study word. Number 5, creature. There was a mythological creature that lived in the woods. Creature is your fifth word study word. Number 6, your sixth word is mixture. There was a mixture of the chemicals that we were working with in our science class. Mixture is your sixth word. Number 7, measure. Were you able to measure the distance? Measure is your seventh word. Number 8, leisure. Outside of school, what do you like to do for leisure? Leisure is your eighth word. Number 9, your ninth word, treasure. Did you ever find the buried treasure? Treasure is your ninth word. Number 10, your 10th word is danger. You are in danger if you are not studying for your test. Danger is your 10th word. Let's go over numbers 1 through 10 before we get into this week's curveball words. Number 1 was pitcher. Number 2 was teacher. Number 3 was nature. Number 4 was capture. Number 5 was creature. Number 6 is mixture. Number 7 is measure. Number 8 is leisure. Number 9 is treasure. Number 10 is danger. Number 11, your first curveball word for this week's word study test is butcher. When I go to the grocery store, I need to ask the butcher to get me some steaks from the back. Butcher is your first curveball word. Butcher. And number 12, your final word study word for this week. Picture. I would love to take a pretty picture of you in your dress. Picture is your final word study word for this week. Well, that wraps up this week's word study test. Keep up the great work.